Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at a question based on a stack. It is a parentheses checker. So mostly this kind of a thing is used in a code editor to check whether you have used brackets correctly or not. So our task is to find whether the bracket pairs, that is the opening and the closing bracket, are correctly paired up. So let's look at an example. So let's say this is the input. We have three kinds of brackets over here. And so here we have an opening bracket, another opening, and then we have three closing brackets. So by looking at it, we can say that the brackets are balanced. But let's say if we had a huge input, then it would be very difficult to look at it with a naked eye. So for that, we utilize a parentheses checker. So let's understand the intuition behind the logic, and then we will dive into the code for it. Let's say you have the same input that we just discussed. So now in this we will be using a stack. So whenever we encounter an opening bracket, then we will push it into the stack. When we encounter a closing bracket, we will pop from the stack and check if, let's say, it is a square bracket, then the opening bracket should also be a square bracket, right? So we will check whether that is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied and all the brackets are completely checked, then we can say that the string is balanced or the brackets are balanced. So let's dive into the code for it. So here I am utilizing the stack through a list. Here I have made a dictionary. So what this dictionary will do is it will pair up our opening and closing brackets. Let's say I want a square bracket pair. So when I get a square bracket, I will get the closing square bracket with it. So after that, we will loop over one after the other over the whole string, and if it is an opening bracket, we will add it to the stack. Otherwise, if let's say if it's a closing bracket, what we will do is if we have some element in the stack or not. If we don't have anything in the stack, let's say the first thing that we encounter is a closing bracket. So straight away we know that the equation is incorrect because there is no opening bracket and still we are encountering a closing bracket. Hence, if the length of the stack is 0, we can say, and we encounter a closing bracket, we can say that the equation is not balanced. Now we are going to be utilizing our dictionary that we made. So let's say we have we pop something from the stack. Let's say it's a square opening bracket, and we know that if we have a square closing bracket that is saved in B, and if they are not equal, let's say I'm over here, I push the three brackets, opening brackets, into the stack, then I move to the fourth bracket, so it's a closing bracket. Now I pop from the stack this opening bracket. So now if what I get from the dictionary is not equal to a closing bracket, a square closing bracket, then I return false. And now we will go through it will go through the entire loop, and at the end, if the length of the stack is 0, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. And why we did this length of the stack equals to 0 is because let's say I have a single opening bracket at the end of my equation. So now there is no closing bracket paired up with it, and hence it is an imbalanced equation. So thank you guys for watching.